Want to know how to manage notifications in Buddy AI? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get right into it. Now, first things first is simply open up your Buddy AI application, and on the top left side, you should be seeing this gear icon right here. You can just simply select that. So now once you have selected the gear icon, you can just simply enter your birth date. If you are a parent or a guardian, enter a relevant birth date of yours, and you should be directed to the settings right here with a vertical screen. Now under learning settings, you should be seeing reminders right here. You can just simply select that, and here is your notification settings. So you can just simply switch accordingly. So you can just simply enable or disable lesson reminders, practice reminder, daily rewards, upcoming payments, and much more. So you can just disable by selecting this, and also select lesson schedule in order to schedule your lessons. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of this similar videos. See you in the next one.